students, in my previous video I explained you the rules of changing tenses, and today in this tutorial video I am going to explain you some rules, and I will also take some sentences, then I will change them into passive voice. So let's start it. Rules of changing pronoun. First person, in the active sentence we will change first person as per this rule. First person I will be changed into me, and me will be changed into I. Means I and me will be interchanged. Then we is changed into us, and us is changed into we. Both we and us, they are interchanged. Then we get second person you. You remains the same. Means you is not changed. In the active sentence, if you is given, in the passive sentence, you will not be changed. Then we take third person. Third person, he is changed into him, and him is changed into he. They are interchanged. She is changed into her, and her is changed into she. Both she and her are interchanged. Then they is changed into them, and them is changed into they. Both they and them are interchanged. It name or noun. It, any name, any noun. Noun means any name of some object like chair, book, horse, man, woman, doctor, teacher, etc. If they are given in the active sentence, or any name is given in the active sentence, or it is given in the active sentence, they will remain the same. They will not be changed. No change. Now we see the rules of changing some words. There are many words which are changed into passive sentence. For example, we. There are different forms of we. Us, our, ours, ourselves. Okay, so they are the different pronoun forms of we. So they are also changed according to sentence. Then I also take different forms of pronoun like me, my, myself. They are also changed according to sentence. Second person you is never changed. So different forms of you like your, yours, yourself, etc. They will also never be changed. The same way, third person he also has different forms of pronoun like him, his, himself, and she also has different forms of pronoun like her, herself, they also have different forms of pronoun like them, themselves, their, etc. And name any noun or any object name will never be changed. Now we see some rules of changing models. As we know, there are different models in English like will, shall, can, could, would, should, may, might, must, had better, need, dare, etc. They are known as models in English. They are known as models in English, and in the passive form we use this pattern: model plus be plus third form of main verb. If any of the model is given in the active sentence, we have to change them according to this pattern. Means we have to write the model first, that is given in the sentence, then we will add be, and then we will write the third form of main verb. Now I am taking some sentences and then I will change them into passive form. Now I am going to solve some questions. I will write here some questions, some sentences, then I will change them into passive form. There are different types of sentences we know in English. First of all, I will take here simple sentences. Simple sentence. In simple sentence, the pattern of simple sentence is subject, then helping verb, then main verb, then object, and it has a full stop at that. This is the pattern of simple sentence. Now in passive form, so this is pattern of active sentence. Now you will see the pattern of passive sentence. First of all, we will write object, means the object of the active sentence will be the subject of passive sentence. Object. This object comes here and it works as the subject of passive sentence. So we will write object first, then helping verb, then we will change the main verb into third form. Then we will write complementary words or other words if they are given in the sentence. Complementary words or other words if they are given, we will write them after the third verb. Then after we will add by and we will write here subject. Subject means we will write here the objective case of the subject. We will change the subject. If the subject is pronoun like I is given in the sentence, we will write the objective case of I, that will be me, and at last we will add full stop. So this is pattern of passive sentence. Now I am going to write some examples here, some sentences. I will change them into passive form. Example: this sentence is simple sentence. She went to work there. In this sentence, the object is not there, so simply we will add there as object. The object will work. Work was done there by her. One more sentence. He writes a letter to his uncle. This is also simple sentence. First of all, we will take the object. What is the object? Letter. He writes a letter. What does he write? A letter. This is object. So we will write a letter here because a letter is the object. A letter. Then we will change the tense. First form is given here according to chart of the tense. We will change it. Means we will use is a bar. In the previous video of mine, I explained you different rules of changing tenses. So according to that chart, we will change the tenses. So they in this sentence, present simple tense is given. So we will use is, am or are, any one among them according to our subject. Our subject has become a letter, and this subject is singular. So we will use is. Then we will write the third form of main verb. What is the third form? What is the main verb? Right. This is the main verb, and I will change it into third form. Third form of I will be written. After third form, we will write other words if they are given in the sentence. In this example, other words or complementary words are given to his uncle. To his uncle, they are complementary words. So we will add them here after third form. To his uncle, and at last we add by, and then we add the subject of active sentence he. This he is pronoun, so we will write he there, but we will change he into objective case. Means he will be changed into him. So this is the answer. This is active sentence, this is passive sentence, this is active sentence, this is passive sentence. We take some more examples of simple sentences. They are finished their meals. This is simple sentence. They have finished their meals. First of all, we will watch the part of speak in this sentence. They, this is subject, have, it is helping verb, finished, it is main verb. Main verb, and it is also third form of main verb. Because after has or had, we always use third form. Their meals, object. They subject, have is helping verb, finish is main verb, and their meals is object. So now we will change it into passive sentence according to this structure. This is the structure or pattern of passive sentence. Firstly, we have to write object. What is our object? They have finished. What have they finished? उन्होंने क्या finish किया है? Our answer is we are getting in reply their meals. Means they have finished their meals. So their meals will work as object. So this will become here subject. Their meals. Okay. Then we will write helping verb and third form according to rule of changing tenses. So we have to find out what condition is given in the sentence, which tense is given in the sentence, have plus third form is given. It means it is present perfect tense. There is present perfect tense in this sentence. So according to the rule of present perfect tense, we will change the tense. Have is given here, and according to rule we use has or have according to the number of our subject. Our subject is their meals. S is added in meal means our subject has become plural. So we will use have. If S is not added in meal, then the subject will work as singular. In that condition, we will use has here. But now our object is in plural form, so we will add have there, and then we have to add been. There means have been. Then third form of main verb. Finish. Finish is the main verb. And we have to use the third form of finish. The third form of finish will be the same, finish. Then after we have written third form. Then after complementary words, other words, we have to find in the active sentence whether there are some complementary words or not. There are no complementary words, so we will not add them. At last, we have to add by, and after by, we will add the objective case of the subject of active sentence. In the structure, simple sentence, they is given here. We will change they into them. This them is the objective case of they. So our answer will be their meals have been finished by them. I take one more example. This is one more example of simple sentence. Ramesh liked ice cream so much. Ramesh is subject. Like this main verb. What do we like? Ice cream. We like ice cream. So ice cream is object. And so much is complementary. So much they are complementary words. Now we will change this sentence into passive form. Firstly we have to write the object. What is our object? Like. What do we like? Ice cream. So ice cream is our object. Firstly write ice cream. Then change the tense. Find out what tense is given in the sentence. There is second form of verb. It means there is past simple tense. So according to rule of the changing tense, we will change past tense into was verb plus third form. Was or verb means we have to write here was or verb according to the number of our subject. Ice cream is singular, so we will write here was. And now we will write the third form of main verb. Like. Third form will be like. We have written third form. Next, according to structure, we have to write complementary words or other words. They are given in the sentence so much. So much. They are complementary words. So we will add them here. And at last, we have to write by plus subjective case of the subject of the sentence. Ramesh. Ramesh is subject in the active sentence. So there will be no subjective case. We will write the same Ramesh. Because Ramesh is noun name. So it will not be changed. So this is the answer. Ice cream was liked so much by Ramesh. Yes students, I have written here some simple sentences and now I will change them into passive form. I will buy a new car, new house. I will buy a new house. We will change it into passive form. Firstly we have to write object. What is our object? A new house. A new house is our object. So we will write here a new house. Then change the tense. In the sentence will is given and will is a modal. So we will write will here. Then we will add be and write third form of main verb. By. Third form of by will be more. Then we add other words. But in this sentence, there are no other words. So we will add here by, and subjective case of the object I is given in the sentence, we will change I into me. So this is the passive sentence. A new house will be bought by me. We take next sentence. You can lift this heavy box. What is our object? You have to remember one thing. While changing the simple sentences into passive form, you have to start with the object only. So we have to find the object first of all. What is our object? You can lift this heavy box. Use subject, can is model, lift is main verb, lift is main verb. You have to remember that object is always given after verb, after main verb. Lift is main verb, so after lift we have to find the object. This heavy box. This heavy box. This is our object. There is one more method to find out the object. We have to add what or whom before the main verb. And whatever we get in the reply is our object. Like there is lift given, lift, uthana. What can we lift? What we can lift? What we can lift? आप किस चीज को उठा सकते हैं? What reply we are getting? This heavy box. कि हम इस heavy box को उठा सकते हैं. So this is our object. So start with the object. This heavy box. Now change the tense. In this sentence, model is given the same way. We will write here the same model and we will add be. Can be. And now write third form of main verb lift. Third form of lift will be lifted. Then we will add other verbs. In this sentence there are no other verbs. So write by plus subject. You will not be changed. You will be remembered same. So our passive sentence will be this heavy box can be lifted by you. We take the next sentence. Mr. Sharma reads newspaper daily. Mr. Sharma, this is our subject. Reads is the main verb. Newspaper is object. Newspaper is object and daily is other word or complementary word. So we start with the object. What is your object? What is Mr. Sharma read? What is the reply? He reads newspaper. Newspapers. So we will write the object newspapers. Now change the tense. Find out which tense is given in the active sentence. There is reads means this is present simple tense. And according to rule of the changing tenses, present simple tense, in present simple tense we use is a mark plus third form. So according to our subject newspapers, we will use is, am or are, any one among them. There are three helping verbs, is, am, are. We have to use any one among them. So now we will change the tense. What is given in the sentence? Reads is given. So we have to find out the tense. Which tense is being used here? There is present simple tense. Because this is first form and s is added. So this is present simple tense. As per the rule of the changing tense, we will change here tense and we will use is, am or are according to our subject. Our subject is in plural form. So we will write here are. And then third form of main verb read. The third form of read will be the same, read. Then we will add other words. In this sentence, other word is given daily. So after third form, we have to use or write the other word daily. And now write by. And now write the subject. Subject is Mr. Sharma. This is noun, name. So it will not be changed. Mr. Sharma. Full stop. So this is the passive sentence. These papers are read daily by Mr. Sharma. Now we come to the next question. They did not purchase a new car yesterday. This is negative sentence. Did not is given here. This subject, did helping verb, not is given. It means it is negative sentence. Purchase, main verb. What is being purchased? New car. This is object. Yesterday is other verb. So we have to start with the object. What is our object? A new car. New car. Now change the subject. We have changed the subject here. Now change the tense. Did not plus first form is given, and this condition is used in only past simple tense. So according to rule of changing the tense, we will use here was verb plus third form. Was verb plus third form. Our subject is a new car. This is in singular form, so we will use here was. And because this is negative sentence, we will add here not, and now we will write the third form of main verb. What is the third form? Purchase is given. Third form of purchase will be purchased. Now after third form we have to add other words if they are given in the sentence, and in this sentence other word is given, that is yesterday. We will add it here. And now we will write by, and now after by we have to add the subject in the subjective case. They is given, in the subjective case of they will be them. So write here them. Okay, this is the passive sentence. A new car was not purchased yesterday by them. Now I come to the next question. She does not learn the new topics regularly. This is also negative sentence. Negative sentence, because affirmative sentence and negative sentence, they are the two parts of simple sentences. Firstly, she subject, does not, that is helping verb, not is given here, learn is main verb. What is being learned? The new topic. The new topic, it will be our object. And regularly is the other verb. We have to write here the object first. What is our object? After verb, what is given? The new topics. This is our object. The new topics. Now we will write the verb. According to rules of changing tenses, does not plus first form is given in the sentence. It means which tense is being used in the sentence. Present, simple tense, negative. So according to the rule, as per the rule, we will use here is a mark plus not plus third form. And what is our object? The new topics. Topics. So this is plural object. We have to use here are, and we will add not, because not is given in the sentence. Then we will write the third form of main verb. Third. Now we will write other words regularly, and we will write now by, and after by we have to add subject C. We will change C into objective case her. So this is the passive sentence. The new topics are not learned regularly by students. I hope you have got all these simple sentences well, and in the next video we shall take interrogative sentence. Thank you.